March 20th, 1995. Rush hour in Tokyo. Commuters board the subway like any other morning. They have no idea they're about to become victims of the world's first chemical weapons attack on civilians. 5 men carrying plastic bags step onto different train lines. Inside each bag, liquid sarin, a nerve agent so deadly a single drop can kill. They puncture the bags and walk away. Within minutes, passengers start collapsing, foaming at the mouth, convulsing. 13 died. Thousands were hospitalized. The attackers? Members of a Doomsday cult led by a nearly blind guru who believed he was saving the world.